Nico, Tia TV.
Subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nicole PR. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. So today's video is sponsored by Modern Show Hair, and they have sent me a 22-inch frontal wig. Yes, straight. So the look that I'm going to achieve today is I want to go for like a short cut. I don't know if that's even going to suit me, to be honest. Babe, have you ever seen me with short hair? Like short straight hair?
Yeah.
Is it?
One of those ones.
Huh?
One of those ones. I've ever seen you with a shorter hair set with no straight small one.
Yeah, that's those auntie wigs. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about
like a bob.
Yeah. Oh, you know what it is?
Oh, of course, yes.
I don't think he's ever seen me with a bob. I don't think you have. Wow, and it's been years. I don't think I wear bobs unless it's curly. You've seen me with curly. We've had curly loads of times. Guys, his favourite hairstyle on me is curly. Alright, cool. I'm just gonna do a get ready with me chit chat video. Minus the makeup because I don't really like wearing makeup anymore. Unless I have to. But
say
yeah.
no to coronavirus.
No to coronavirus, guys. Make sure everyone stays safe in this time. Self-isolate. All of that. Wash your hands. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the lace. The lace is a normal medium brown lace. So like it's not HD or transparent. But I honestly feel like this can pass for transparent even though it's normal. I'm not even gemming it. Ugh, babe, I'm starting to talk like you, gemming it. Ugh. Who even says that? Guys, look, can we just deep this? Let's get into this scalp, guys. It's too much. Ooh, 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 ooh. The only thing that I wish this wig had was a longer part in, because the part in stops here. Yeah, it stops here. Sorry, I keep looking here because my mirror's here. Alright, so first, I found my scissors as well. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm gonna cut here. I think I just cut my actual hair. By the way, yeah, hello.
I'll give you some of my hair.
I don't want your hair. I don't want dreads. Dreads won't suit me. I've been getting cussed on social media, yeah. Not cussed, but you know like when people leave those dumb comments. Why is her wig so forward? Why is your forehead so small or something? I have a small forehead. I'm not pulling my wig forward. My forehead is small. Look. Look how small my forehead is. My baby hairs here are literally touching my eyebrow. Like, what do you expect me to do? I can't put my wig here, can I? Do you know what I mean? I can't put my wig here. So at this point, we just have to just continue to have it like this. As usual, I'm going to use the Ghost Bond glue. I think I'm only going to do one layer. Babe!
No. Oh, go on.
Can you get my my pink thing in the bathroom, please?
Pink thing?
Yes, pink thing. Oh! Guys, when you do this, yeah, make sure your wig's all the way back because you're just going to mess up. I said pink thing, yeah, and he brought me this makeup remover. And he brought me this because there's two pink things. He's so cute, man. So now I'm spreading out the glue. That's what it is. There we go. This coronavirus thing, yeah, is serious, man. Like, it's proper scary. Not that I'm scared, but it's just mad how we have to stay in our houses. Like, my friend from Paris, she told me this morning that the French police are saying that no one's allowed to leave their houses for 15 days. How mad is that? 15 days. I was like, oh my god, have you got enough food? She was like, she can't go see her mom, she can't go see her sister, she can't see her friends, she can't even go to the shop. Then I was like, okay, so what if you need food? She's gonna have to clearly go out. All right, let's stick this. Yep. This is such an easy way to put wigs on, guys. Trust me. Right, next I'm gonna do the left side. So I feel like London's gonna go on lockdown, yeah? Everyone needs to stock up. Stock up on your wigs. Go to modernshowhair.com, buy your wigs. Go to Fear Collection, buy your lashes because you won't be able to go out and buy it at the hair shop. Seriously, guys, it's actually crazy.
YouTube Space London. An update on YouTube Space and coronavirus. Oh, how?
What? Has my event got cancelled?
As a member of YouTube Space London community, your safety is our top priority, and we've been monitoring the corona whatever based on our most We are temporarily closed our YouTube space facilities until further notice.
Yep. Okay, and now for the last side, I'm gonna stick this bit down. Now that's all done, I'm gonna cut the lace. Right, cool. So now this is all stuck down, I am going to part the hair in the middle, because I think I want a middle part in. Wow, this is so high. This needs to flatten, y'all. I'm gonna speed through straightening my hair and then I'll come back when I'm ready to cut it. Right, so now I'm going to use my foamy mousse and just flatten the top.
Oh, the hair be very lit, you know.
It's proper nice, isn't it?
Ah, it don't be heavy at all. It be very, very lit.
Okay, babe, don't pull it up, because you're gonna pull the wig up.
Cut from here. Or is it what?
I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do. That length, then you might as well, you should have this guy then.
Yeah, but I'm gonna keep cutting and cutting. Alright, I'll go short then.
Cut it. That one has been chopped to the above.
Oh. Why would you let go of the hair?
Why would you let go of the hair? Why?
Because you was holding it.
Oh my god, bro.
Guys, you just let all the hair go on the floor. Oh my gosh, what have I done?
Oh, it's not bad though. Wallahi, fam. Let me cut that down for you. Oh. I don't know ready for yourself. Just give me the measurement.
Babe, if you mess up my hair yet, no, you're gonna cut the string off the jumper.
There.
No. Oh my gosh, babe. You're cutting it diagonal. You're meant to cut it straight. Oh my god, this hair is gonna be shit.
This is just be shit scissors.
Let go.
No, take it. No.
No, babe, because you just fucked it up. Let go, move, stop it.
I'm not even gonna touch your hair again.
Believe that took like an hour to do, guys. Never again in my life. If I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna cut it off on the mannequin head first and then put it on, because this was a joke. Oh my gosh, this hair is so nice. And there we have it, guys. Modern show hair. DIY bob cut by my boyfriend.
You get me?
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, stay safe. Make sure you stay home. Don't hug anybody. God, I have so much hair on me. Don't hug anyone. You know, stay home, stay safe. And I'm out. Period.